Let's move in. Let's scare them out.
Checking the last known position.
Bloody Muppet, is that the best you've got?
There's no winning, mate. Get in behind cover.
Seeking cover.
There, that's where I saw them.
Taking fire.
Going to look for him. I think they were nearby. Shot of fire! Checking his last known location. They were there earlier. Check it out. Hey, they must shoot. Ah! Moving in. I'm empty.
Taking fire.
Taking fire. Going to investigate. I saw him nearby. Keep looking. Gunfire over there. Finding cover. Target is fired.
Staying down. What do I do?
Time to reload. Watch out! Shots fired!
Cover me. Weapons jammed. Oh, no, bloody no. Oh, somebody get up. Anyone. I'm moving in. Go search over there. It's not letting up!
Where are you? Okay. Bingo. No.
Well done, Dalton Wolf. I'm impressed.
The fuck are you?
Oh, you still think you're here to save London? I'm afraid that's not going to happen. You're here to help us with some important work.
Important work. Killing thousands of...
Exactly. To save the world. You do know Londoners have died before, hmm? The Plague, the Great Fire, the Blitz. It's not much fun. But destruction is always the cure. And it begins today. Zero Day. It's time for a hard reset.
Oh my god.
A series of explosions devastated 3 sites in London. Authorities are asking residents to remain in their homes as the situation continues to develop. We have received no official casualty total, but it is expected.
Mourners gathered for a series of candlelight vigils that brought closure to thousands of families and indeed to an entire city. London is now laser focused.
Today at 10 Downing Street, where Nigel Cass, CEO of private military company Albion, received a mandate to secure London. Cass has vowed to hunt down DedSec. Terrorist responses failed. Force Albion used cutting-edge artificial intelligence systems and autonomous drones to capture the remaining members of DedSec. A stark warning to would-be insurgents.
Corporations are posting record profits due to increased efficiencies in production and distribution, enabled by the use of technologies initially developed and approved for security purposes.
Getting a long overdue cleanup as crime numbers take a dive. Illegal gambling, drug trafficking and prostitution all down following prosecutions of the leaders of 4 of London's 5 largest criminal syndicates. The streets of Camden and